We weren't allowed to play it actually in school. It was only the boys played the sport in the school. I do remember sitting in a classroom looking out and seeing the boys up there playing and wanting to be up there playing, but we were knitting with pencils and the wool. It really showed my age now. And learning how to knit, wasn't it? Yeah, it's really mean, wasn't it?
Ní raibh mar peoch sásta le sin, bhfuil roiint bha doing ní raibh mar peoch sásta le sin agus bhí mar i gcónaí ag dul suas go dtí bord a bhúntóra rá an bhfuil cead a going dul amach bheith ag imirt pelle agus dúir sí níl.
I suppose it wasn't ladylike at the time, you know. That's what they would have said, you know.
Secondary school exposed everything. We had great games then. We played basketball, camogie, rounders, you name it, we played it. Marie Crotty then would have been training the community games when I was 12 and 13.
I remember her coming down, and at that age you'd have very tall girls, you'd have small girls. She was one of the small ones, not much bigger nowadays, but she had that swagger about her and she had a good balance, you know. You could see the confidence and a little bit of cockiness there as well. But yeah, you knew she was special.